Hey everyone, it's me Usman. I'm from Pearl Lemon, and today we are going to review LemTask. LemTask is a platform which helps you to manage your tasks more effective way, better way, and categorized way. Yes, it also helps you with the reminders, recurring tasks, subtasks, and much more. I have used all of the alternative that we have in the market, and you might use them all, but trust me, when you're going to use LemTask, you will forget about them. So right now I'm at the homepage of lemtask.com. You can visit it, and we have everything here like features. You can see there's so many, and you can see the pricing part if you want to see. Yeah, of course, that's the important part, to use all of the advanced features that we have. Use cases, comparing with our competitor, so you can have a better idea why we are best and what's new. So you have idea what's we are fixing, what's are getting done, and what got improved. All right, now we have sign in and get started. If you like the light version, you can keep it that way. But if you like the dark theme, you can click on this button, Yahoo. And let's scroll down. So before getting started and creating account, let me show you the detailed overview. So we have features, brain dump, built-in themes, bulk import, and much more. How it's work. You speak, your task get added, you pick the top 3 and get it done. I mean, this is awesome. I mean, you can give your good time before actually picking our platform. You can read it all, and after reading it all, you will understand why we are best. So yeah, we have write down each and everything with your LemTask, Todoist, Tick, and Any.do, and much more. You can see what they have and what we have, and you can see we have all of this feature, but they don't have it. All right, use our platform before they steal us. All right, I'm just kidding. So yeah, that's much. And now let's click on get started free. Now you have continue with Google. You can click on sign up. I'm already signed in, so I don't have to sign up again. You have to add your name, your email, your password, and perfect feature of it as the moment when you're writing your password, it should tell you the strength of your password. Let's say if I remove something from it, it's going to say, okay, the password is good right now. If I remove more part, it's going to tell the password is fair. And if you're going to remove it, it's going to tell the password is weak. All right, I have to get more point. So it's also help with the security of your password and your account as well. Just imagine. Because I'm already signed in, you have to sign up. You will get verification link on your Gmail. You have to click on it and you will be signed in. Let me show you the insider part. So right now, inside the dashboard of LemTask. Cool. You can see here, you have add task functionality here. You can press Q and you can add your task. Awesome. Now you have all of these features. You can speak as well. Okay. I have to review Parliament website. Yeah. Okay. Let's drop it. So yeah, cool. Now, if I want to set it recurring and I want to set due date, I want to set priority, I want to add more wise to input, or I want to add this task, I can. Okay, let's close it for now. Now, you can see in the sidebar, we have this functionality, which collapse and okay. Now we have view, list, teams, track, and much more. Crazy about it. Then we have setting things here, we have streaks here, we have XP aggregating, we have notification part here, and in the sidebar we have pro tips things, we have shortcuts, and of course we have the help center as well with all of the system like my ticket, submit ticket, request for feature, chat with the AI, and help center. Like this is the crazy part of this platform. I mean, this is just one part, and you're gonna see hundreds of these type of things. If you don't like this layout, you can click on Customize, you can drag and drop if you want to, and you can toggle off on any feature you want to. Now, if I go down, you can see I have overdue tasks, I have a task building up, and I have morning formations as well. I have daily goals, I have all these tricks going on, and late night hustle. It's literally detecting that I am waking up, like I'm awake at night, and it's telling me right now. I have brain dump here and so much more. Now you can see I have eat the frog part as well. Eat the frog is so famous, and now we have this part here as well. And we have 2-day habits, all the things documented here. We have momentum 35%, we have weekly summary, productivity heat map, we have question, we have personal records, we have weekly review as well. And of course, if I want to configure my API key, I can do. Now let's go to view. I have 2-day. Yo, you see this confetti effect? This is crazy. Wow. Have you heard this voice note? I mean, this is nice. Smart daily plans and start here, and all of this icons and with everything like that. Now if I go to capture, I have the capture part. Capture, which I have like all less than 2-minute tasks, fresh, tired, missed, no due, done today. And we have priority 1, priority 2, priority 3, minimal, and show complete, full, and show complete as well. Okay, let's go back. We have upcoming tasks. I mean, this is the best feature because I'm going to have the idea, okay, this task is going to come in and I have to get it fixed as soon as possible. Yahoo! Now if I go to all task, I have all the tasks mentioned here with this click to complete, click to complete, click to complete, click to complete, everything, and assign. I can assign them and tasks to my team members. Now you might be wondering, so here's a dashboard with all tasks. We have captures things going on here, and then we have all tasks which I can, which are from my team members and all of there. Okay, this is the master view. See everything in one place. You use filter to find specific tasks. There's so many filters to go. Now you can create your list as well. How to create a list is super easy. Click here, click on plus folder. You can write my personal task. Let's create it. If I go here, oh my god, I have my personal task things here as well. If I want to share this, let's click on share, and I can name it like my task. I can save it. I can add the collaboration as well here. Reiner's public is, let's copy this and paste it. And you're gonna see the task well as here, but of course right now they're personal. I have not added anything here. If I want to add anything, I can click here. I have to complete my personal brand document. For example, let's click on add. Now, because this platform is shared, if I refresh it, now you can see I have this. Now, great feature of it, I can comment as well. I can tick option as well. Yahoo. Let's send it. Okay, now you can see those mandatos are like wrote Yahoo. Okay, now you can see if I tick this, let's refresh it, and now you see it's done. Awesome. If I'm working in the company, I can create a document, I can create my folder, I can add my old task there, and I can share that with him, and he can see what's getting done and what's pending. All right, so now I have my team part. I have content publishing team, design team. If you want to get your own team, you can click on marketing team, organic, share, media team, create it. And if you want to add someone, you can do that, and you can share the link with them as well. And you can see there's a team part, there's a progress part going on, newcomers and to the MVP and team achievements, collaboration streak, milestones, special, completed this week, average completion, active members, and much more. We have planning thing as well, calendar, templates, much more to go. As you can see, we have like everything going on here. Team templates as well. Wow. Awesome. Now you can go to the chat. If you want to chat with the team, you can go to Insight as well. Awesome. Workload and everything like that. Okay, cool. I have show archive, active, all team members, my task, and much more. Let's go to my team. And I have all the team individually here as well. Let's go to tracking. I have habits. Like I have habit of documentation, designing referending, I have learning new skills. If you want to add your own, you can add it by clicking here, searching on new AI features of LemTask. Let's add it. And now I have another habit. Now I can change the color of it if I want to. And we have this buttons here to edit habit, duplicate, share, and delete code. I have goals here. Now you can see I have recording video goal, which is like, I can edit it if I want to, like goal 10 items and already done and category and much more. Wow. If I go down, analytics, now you can see I have 14 tasks, focus 1 streak, 54 completion, level 3 learner, and I have this week how much time I've spent focused on and keep tracking, progressing, and you can see this thing. This is the awesome, like weekly progress, task priority distribution level and task, habits, mood, progress, and much more to go. I have badges as well. All right. I can share the analytics with anyone if I want to. So these are the achievements that I have got. Inbox Zero, Speed Demon, Vice Planner, getting started and early bet. Awesome. Now I can go to here. I have what's new. Now you can see I have so much more features. I mean features, improvements, bugs, and more, which is UI, UX, security, mobile integrations, like so many things. If I go to daily chest, yahoo, I got this. All right, level up now. Nice. Let's close it for now. Let's go to the mandatory. I can see I have total stats here. I have 1 day streak. I have SEO manager, like which is secret part of us. Don't tell that to anyone. So we have setting, help and support. We have invite friends, and we have a quick action like dark mode, mute, and shortcuts. And I can sign out myself as well, but I don't want to do that. Let's go to setting. Inside setting, I have profile, your profile, feature discovery, my profile. If I want to add my picture, I can. If I want to change avatar, I can click here and I can add panda. Panda is my favorite animal. So we have personalization, excel at work, launch something, learn, grow, organize, and work-life balance. I want this. Your biggest productivity challenge, focus. Yeah, that's the thing. Or maybe I can call it consistency. What industry or context are you from? I am creative design, and okay, this is awesome. This is for you, by the way. Now I have feature discovery, completed daily planning, tired brain, set focus, and trick, so much more. I have stake here. No stake active at real consequences to your commitment. Miss your goals, and oh my god, you can add money here. All right, awesome. Now we have billing parties, subscription, AI configurations, webhook, promo code, and as you can see, I'm on a team plan. I have all these features that I need. Anthropic, Whisper, and much more. Webhook, promo code, you can earn money by like promoting our platform to others, which is, I mean, crazy. All right. So we have integration part here as well. Google Calendar, AI settings, Webhooks, Zapier, Google Calendar. Yeah, I already connected that once. All right. And I have this local processing, OpenAI, and everything. And we have webhook, inbound webhooks as well, Zapier templates, crazy. And we have appearance. Okay, damn. This and that. We have these features. We have green forest. We have purple, violet, and much more to go. Okay, let's make it yellow. We have sidebar things. If you want to see anything, you can, but if you don't want to see anything, you can remove that as well. So you have 100% control over it. It's not just like we are forcing something to you and we're just saying, just stick with that. It's you who pick what you want. All right. So we have balanced and so many things here as well. We have sound effects. Wow. We have languages. And if we go above, we have alerts. We have push notifications, and we have voice. If you want to test your voice, whatever your mic is working or not, test voice. Hey everyone, okay, so it's working. Cool. Let's close it. All right. And then we have a confirmations like confirm task deletion, confirm bulk tasks, draw and draw completion, scheduling defaults, much more. We have fun part as well. Crazy. Okay, the coach, the cheerleader, the best friend, and we have all of these modes. Okay, I'm kind of night owl, so I'm flexible, you might say it. Now let's go to the support. We have submit tasks, ticket history, help center, much more. If we go to templates, we have template part here as well. We have data, manage tags, account security, emails, and I can add my picture, your precious data, frequently asked question. Yeah. Okay, I can reset onboarding as well. I can start fresh. I can danger zone. I can delete my data as well, but I don't want to do it. So yeah, guys. So that's a quick update about our platform. LemTask is one of the best platform. It's not one of the best. It's only the best because I have not seen any platform which is that much advanced. And yeah, have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.